Male Kerunwang. Good morning. Uh, at this moment, I'm going to teach you how to say you are welcome. You are welcome. Don't mention it like was. It's my pleasure. All these. Around 1, 2, 3, 4. Kel, row, diok, 1, dh, up to 5. Well, let's start it. This one, like you are welcome. This first, you are welcome. It's like when somebody visits you, you have a visitor or anyone, you be like you are welcome. In where we say it, bir kamal. Bir kamal. Bir kamal is a singular form. Singular, like someone. Bir kamal. We call it bir kamal. You are welcome. Bir kamal. All right. When it is plural, we say it bia kamal. When you have 2 or 3, all right, visitors or friends, then you are telling them that you're welcome. You have to say bia kamal. Bia kamal. This is a plural, right? I have to put p. Okay, plural. Sorry. Yeah. Bir kamal, bia kamal. This is how you can say it when you are you have a visitors at home there. Bir kamal is for singular, bia kamal is plural. The next one is you are welcome. When somebody done something nice to you and you are like you want to appreciate him or her, you have to say it, you are welcome. Then in where we say she lodged the teeth. Don't say teeth, man. Alright. This is she lodged the teeth. She lodged the teeth. Like I'm happy or you're welcome, something like that. You're welcome. She lodged the teeth. Okay? This one goes for singular and for plural form. You have to say she lodged the teeth. The next one is you be like, don't mention it. When we say don't mention it, like when somebody done something nice also to you, and you're like, oh, don't mention it. Then when we say it, wow, we have to say, show kept alamidi. Show kept alamidid. Show kept alamidid. Like, don't mention it. Show kept alamidid. Show kept alamidid. Show kept alamidid. You be like, likewise, somebody tell you like, good night. And you be like, or she be like, likewise, right? Like, I'm managing, ba. Okay? I'm managing, ba. You have to say, I'm managing, ba. Likewise, I'm managing, ba. Okay? The last one is, it is my pleasure. In where we say it is my pleasure. You can say it in a different way, in 2 different ways. The first one is, she lodged the teeth. Okay? She lodged the teeth. It is like the one that we say you are welcome. When someone done nice to you, you say she lodged the teeth. The same thing here. It is my pleasure. You have to say she lodged the teeth. In no language we say like that. She lodged the teeth. It is my pleasure. She lodged the teeth. The second one you can even be like, okay, maybe the first form you be like, no, I can't say it this way. There's other choice, like second choice. The second choice goes like this: a tesloida, a tesloida, a tesloida. Like it is my pleasure. Also, the same thing goes, right? So this thing they mean it's my pleasure. So this is the last, or we come to the end of our topic of today. You're welcome. Chiloida Ted. Bye. Tene Kamal Inua. Okay, let me add it here, okay? Right. You be like, bye, bye. You can Tene Kamal, alright? Bye bye, Tene Kamal. Bye bye, Tene Kamal. You're welcome, Chiloida Ted. You're welcome when somebody visit you, Bir Kamal. When there are many, you have to be like Bia Kamal. Thank you. This is the last. Maybe catch me up in the next chapter. Anyway, if you have anything like recommending it to me that I should put there, please feel free to provide it to me. so that will be easy for me to teach you, showing you how you could speak with your new friends, okay? So these are the basics. Thank you once again.